spectacular role of U.S. military with USS Fort Worth in peace mission in Maldives Sea. The Maldives Sea, with its stunning natural beauty, may not be the first place that comes to mind when talking about military bases. However, at one time, these waters were the center of international attention, especially when the USS Fort Worth, along with the United States military, played an important role in the region. When the USS Fort Worth entered the waters of the Maldives Sea, its purpose was not to simply enjoy its stunning natural beauty. This state-of-the-art warship had a larger strategic mission in the region. At the time, geopolitical tensions in the Southeast Asia and Indian Ocean region were rising, triggering security concerns for various countries, including the United States. Amidst these dynamics, the presence of USS Fort Worth symbolized the strength and readiness of the U.S. military to maintain regional stability. With advanced detection capabilities and robust defense systems, USS Fort Worth brings unparalleled excellence in surveillance and monitoring in these strategic waters. The presence of USS Fort Worth also reflects the commitment of the United States to work together with countries in the Asia-Pacific region to maintain peace and security. In addition to carrying out security duties, USS Fort Worth is also involved in various multilateral cooperation activities, such as joint exercises with the navies of allied countries in the region. While in the Maldives Sea, USS Fort Worth also served as a platform to enhance mutual understanding and skills in maritime defense and maritime security. The presence of USS Fort Worth not only provides security for the surrounding countries, but also becomes a strategic buffer for global peace and stability. While patrolling the Maldives Sea, USS Fort Worth symbolizes a resilient U.S. presence ready to face any challenge that may arise. At the political level, USS Fort Worth's presence also sends a strong signal about the U.S.'s commitment to defending its interests and those of its allies in the region. With its technology and personnel expertise, USS Fort Worth is a vital instrument in maintaining the security of the Maldives Sea waters from threats that may come from various parties. When crossing the Maldives Sea, USS Fort Worth not only maintains sovereignty and security, but also becomes a valuable asset in supporting economic and social stability in the region. The cooperation between USS Fort Worth and the local Navy also reflects the spirit of partnership and military diplomacy essential in maintaining regional stability. With its experience and expertise, USS Fort Worth is a shining example of the capability and reliability of the United States Navy in maintaining maritime security around the world. During its mission in the Maldives Sea, USS Fort Worth has not only become a military force, but also a symbol of hope and trust for countries in the region. USS Fort Worth's presence in the Maldives Sea reminds us of the importance of international cooperation in maintaining peace and security in an ever-changing and complex world. By guarding the waters of the Maldives Sea, USS Fort Worth affirms its commitment to ensuring that freedom of navigation and maritime commerce are maintained, contributing to economic stability and global security.